Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 4, which is simple equations. About this chapter or about this topic, we have already learnt about in class 6 in algebra, means algebraic expressions. So, in this chapter, first we will see how to form an equation. After that, how to find the solution of a given equations. So, let us see. Let us start our chapter. So chapter 4, simple equations. Here a mind reading game means a game is given. So let us see what was the game given here. What is the game given here? The teacher has said that she would be starting a new chapter in mathematics and it is going to be simple equation. Means a teacher, when she started a new chapter in a class, she said that we will start a new chapter which is simple equations here, as we have started now. So Sudhir, Rohit and Rani have revised what they learnt in algebra chapter in class 6. So they have revised about the algebra which they read in class 6. So have you? Then Sudhir, Rohit and Rani are excited because they have constructed a game which they call Mind Reader and they want to present it to the whole class. So you can see that the three children are given and they are very excited as because they have constructed a game based on this algebra and they want to show to the whole class. So the teacher appreciated their enthusiasm and she told that yes, you can represent it in the class to the whole class. So Rani begins. Out of these three students, who begins first? Rani begins and she asks one of the students, Sara, to think of a number, multiply it by 1 and add 5 to the product. Then she asks Sara to tell the number. She says it is 65. Here you can see that Rani, she told Sara that you have to think a number. After thinking a number, you have to multiply that number by 1 and after multiplying you have to add 5 and you have to say the answer. So she says it is 65 and Rani instantly declares that number Sara had thought it of is 15. So you can see that Rani, she told Sara that you have to think a number. After thinking a number, you have to multiply by 1 and after this you have to add 5 here. And see, she said that it is 65. So Rani told that the number which you thought was 15. So Sara and the whole class was surprised that how can you say that the number which I thought was 15 here. After that, the second turn was of Sudhir. He asked Arun to think of a number, multiply it by 10 and subtract 20 from the product. He then asked Arjun what his result is and Arjun says that it is 50. Then Sudhir immediately tells that the number thought by Arun it is 7 and Arun confirmed it. So again that's Sudhir asked one question to Arun. He told that first you have to multiply it by 10 and after multiplying by 10 you have to subtract 20 from the product and the answer came 50. But how that Sudhir know that answer, the number which he thought was 7? Everybody wants to know that how this mid-reader game presented by Sudhir, Rohit and Rani. So I hope that you are also excited that how that this mind reader game works. In basis of this only we will see how to form an equation using variable, constant and algebraic expression. So setting up of an equation, this one is only the example, means the starting what is the use of this equations given here and how can we make it and what is the use of in our daily life. So setting up of an equation, let us consider the following example. Ankit asks Ankush to think of a number, multiplied by 7 and add 5 to the product. Then he asks Ankush what the result is, which is 61. Now we'll put the above statement in equation form. This one you can see that it is a statement. The first of all you have to think a number. After that you multiply it by 7 and add 5. You have to think a number and who will find the answer? Ankit will say. Without saying that, how can he find the answer that the number thought by Ankush is 7 only. So which is 61. Now I'll put the above statement equation form. Ankit asks Ankush to think on a number, and Ankit doesn't know the number. As he asks Ankush, for him it could be 1, 2, 3. For Ankit it can be any number 1 to 100. So let us denote the unknown number by x. Ankit asks Ankush to multiply the number by 7 and add 5 to the product. That is from x. So one question asked by Ankit, that you have to think a number, and that number we have taken here as x. After that you have to multiply by 7. After multiplying by 7 you have to add by 5. So the value of the x, now you can see this one, this is the equation by from which we made from the statement. The statement is given that think a number, multiply it by 7. After multiplying by 7 you have to add 5 to the product. So 7x plus 5, the equation, the expression we formed from the statement, and this is known as algebraic expression, which contains constant, variable and operations plus, minus, multiply and division. So thus if x is equal to 1, if we put x is equal to 1, 7 into 1 plus 5, which is equal to 12. Similarly, if in place of x you put 5, so 7x plus 5, 7 into 5 plus 5, so 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 4, which is equal to 50. Thus if Ankush has 5 is in mind, his result would have been 40, but Ankush's result is 61. Then how can we find that x, that what was the number thought by Ankush? How can Ankit find the answer? So thus in equation in x, we already studied about equations in class 6, and how to find the question will give us that number which Ankush had is in mind. So equation means, so here you can see that here two students are given, and one student given task to second student that you have to think a number, after that you have to multiply and add to the product. And the first student who given the task, he will without knowing, means how can he know that the answer given, the number thought by the second student was here which number he thought, means this one is a game type. The simple equations is a type of a game by which we can find easily the number thought by second person. Expression first means 7x plus 5, which is equal to 61. It is an equation. So an equation is a kind of a condition on a variable. In equation first, the variable is x. And what is the meaning of variable? Variable means something that can vary or that can change. A variable in algebra takes a different numerical value. The value of a variable is not fixed. As we know that variable means which can change, so it means that the value is not fixed. So variables are denoted usually by the letters of alphabet. It can be any alphabet like XYZ, LMN, ABC as we want. For variable we form expressions. So what is an expression? Already we have learnt about algebra or algebraic expression in our class 6. So an expression is formed by performing 4 fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So you can see 7x plus 5 is an expression. For this we multiplied x by 7. After that we have added 5 to the product. So an expression means, here you can see that 7x plus 5 is an expression which consists both, it is a constant. Constant means the quantity whose value is fixed. It means we cannot change. 7 is 7. We cannot change to 5 here. So it is a constant number. X is a variable. Variable means whose value can be changed. X, the value of x will be according to the question. According to the given equation, it will change. And which is the operation given here? Addition. So 3 things are needed here to form an algebraic equation or simple equation. There should be constant, variable and any from all the 4 operations, any one operation should be there. Then only we can say that it is an algebraic expression. So the expression formed by performing 4 fundamental operations. The value of expression depends upon the value of variable. Example, we have taken x is equal to 1. In value in place of x, you have to put 1 here. So 7x means 7 into 1 plus 5. We can see here 7x is given. The meaning of this is 7 into x. If x is equal to 1, So 7 into 1. So 7 into 1 plus 5, 12. If in place of x, we'll put 0 here. So it will be 7 into 0, 0 plus 5, 5. And after that, if we put 8, it will be 61, and it will goes on. The value of, if we vary the value of x, the value of algebraic expression also get changes. So the equation first is a condition on the variable x. It states that the value of the expression 7x plus 5 is 61, and when it will be 61, so the equation is satisfied when x is equal to 8. If the value thought by Ankush it was 8, then only he got the answer as 61 here. And we can say that the value which satisfies the given equation, that will be the solution to the equation. In equation, what is the meaning of equal sign? There is always an equality sign. Equation means equal, which have equal sign. The equality sign shows that the value of expression to the left of sign LHS is equal to the RHS. Let us see one equation. 7x plus 5, which is equal to 61. So this one is known as equation here. How can we say that it's an equation? Equation means which contains equal sign. And this 7x plus 5, it is an expression. 61 is also an expression. Here you can see constant is also there, variable is also there. Then after that, from all the 4 operation, one operation is given here, and equal sign is given. So it means we can say that this is a simple equation. So equation remain the same when expressions are left on the right or interchange. Here you can see 7x plus 5, 61. It is also same as if we interchange the place, means this one left hand side, it is right hand side. Now we have interchange. 61 we have written left hand side, and 7x plus 5 it is written on right hand side. But the value of this equation means both equations are same only. If we interchange the side of these expressions, so it will help you in solving the equations easily. So what we have learned, this algebraic expression. So it is an expression which involve constant, variable, and some operation like addition and multiplication. And what is variable? Variable is an unknown number which we don't know and which have different numerical value, and it is called variable as it is vary or it can change, and we are representing it by different letters like x, y, a, b, l, m, n, o, p as we like. Then equation. So equation is a condition on a variable. It says that two expressions are equal. So what is the difference between expression and equation? Expression means which do not have equal sign, but in equation we need equal sign. In equation equal sign we need, but for expression we do not need any equal sign. So first equation 5x plus 7 is equal to 2. So this whole is known as an equation. But 5x plus 7, this one is first expression and root 2 is second expression. 5 is coefficient, or we can say it is a constant. X is variable. 7 is also a constant here. So this whole, if we put equal sign between two expression, then the whole is known as equation. So what is the equation? For an equation we need always equal sign. In equation they also always contain two parts, LHS and right hand RHS. So one of the expression must have a variable. There should always be variable, constant, and for operations. LHS of equation is also equal to the RHS of equation. What is the meaning of equal sign? That left hand side is always equal to right hand side for the given variable x. An expression does not have equality sign, but an equation also an equality sign. Expression means 5x plus 7. We do not need any equal sign, but for making an equation we always need two parts, LHS and RHS. If we interchange the position of the expression, it means 5x plus 7 is equal to 2 is same as 2 is equal to 5x plus 7. So both the equations are same here. Now let us see how to form the equation using statements. Here statement is given, the sum of 4 times of x and 12 is equal to 35. This one statement is given and we have to form an equation. So the sum of 4 times of x. 4 times of x means multiplication. So 4 times of x means 4 into x, and 12 means the sum. Sum means addition. So 4x plus 12 is equal to means equal sign 35. First of all, you have to read one by one word to make this equation from the statement. So the sum of 4 times of x means 4 multiply x, and 12 means we have to find the sum. So sum means addition, is equal to, so put the equal to sign and write 35. So this one is the equation from the given statement. Second one, the number b divided by 5 gives 6. b divided by 5 means b is divided by 5, gives means equal. If we divide b by 5, it will give 6. So give means which is equal to sign only. Now balanced equation. What do you mean by balance? Balance means if LHS and RHS of an equation are equal, then we can say that the equation is balanced. It means both sides should be equal here. So if we add the same number to 4 sides, there are 4 conditions how can we make a balanced equation. If we add the same number to both the side, let us see, one equation is given 12 minus 8 and 3 plus 1. So let us add 3 to both sides. So 12 minus 8 plus 3. 12 minus 8 4, 4 plus 3 7. First of all, we'll take left hand side. So 12 minus 8, now 8 plus 3. So 12 minus 8 4 plus 3 which is equal to 7. Then take right hand side. Here also you have to add plus 3. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now you can see that LHS is equal to RHS. So this one is a balanced equation. Same if subtraction is given. If we subtract the same number of both the sides of a balanced equation, the equation will remain same. Balance means 12 minus 8 is also 4, 3 plus 1 is also 4. If we add or subtract, multiply or divide a same number from the balanced equation means in which both sides are equal. Here you can see if 4 is equal to 4, and if we subtract 3 from both sides, you will get the same answer. So 12 minus 8 minus 3 is equal to 1, 3 plus 3 minus 3 is also equal to 1. So here you can see that LHS is equal to RHS. So in balanced equation, if we subtract, add, multiply or divide from the balanced equation, the answer will remain same, or the equation will remain same. There will be no any effect. So what we have seen, what is an equation here? Simple equation means it is formed by algebraic expression which contains, if we take 7x plus 5 which is equal to 61. This one is an simple equation. Simple equation which contains equal sign and have constant and access variable. So constant means whose value is fixed, variable means whose value can change or vary. After that, from all the 4 operations, plus, minus, division or multiplication, any of the from any of the 4 operations, there should be one operation be available here. Then only you can say that 7x plus 5 is equal to 61 is a simple equation. Here 7x plus 5 is first expression and 61 is second expression. Using this two, we have made a simple equation. If you take second one, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Can you say that it is an equation? No, because there is no any variable here. Variable means there is no any x, y, z or abc is present here. So we cannot say that it is a simple equation. So this is an only algebraic expression only. For an equation, there should be constant, variable, equality sign, and from any of the 4 operations should be present here. Now on this topic, based on this topic, we will solve the questions on the next day of our class.